Hello everyone, welcome to CIS 228. In this lecture, first I'm going to give you an overview of the topics we are going to cover in this course, and then I will go ahead and get started with the first chapter. The main objective of this course is to acquaint you with the advanced features of Microsoft Office and its applications in business settings. We will start with Microsoft Word and discuss how to develop a professional sales proposal for a business. Then we will have a chapter on PowerPoint and its smart art graphic feature. Following these chapters, we will work on Excel and Access in detail. The main focus is to learn how to manage and analyze data using Excel and Access features. For example, you will learn how to work with advanced functions of Excel such as creating and querying a data table. In Access, we will go through forms and advanced reports. With that short introduction, I'm going to go over chapter 4, which is the first chapter of the textbook. We assume that the students are already familiar with Microsoft Office package and now they are ready to move on to the advanced features. If you're interested in the basic functionalities of MS Office, I encourage you get the elementary version of the textbook from Cengage. Now let's move on to the first chapter, which covers the advanced features of Microsoft Office for creating a sales proposal. The objective of this chapter is to learn how to create a document with a title page, lists, tables, and a watermark. The topics which will be covered in this chapter include border a paragraph, change paragraph indentation, insert and format a smart art graphic, apply character effects, insert a section break, insert a Word document in an open document, insert formatted headers and footers, and sort paragraphs and tables, use the format painter, add picture bullets to a list, create a multi-level list, modify and format Word tables, sum columns in a table, create a watermark, change theme fonts. These are basically the main topics we are going to cover in this chapter. During the course of our education or professional career, we might need to prepare a proposal. If you are in academia, you will need to apply for internal or external grants. If you are in a business, you may need to suggest your products and services to the customers and convince people to pay for those products and services. In either case, we need to prepare a written request in a form of proposal. We can classify proposals into three categories: research proposals, which request funding for a project; planning proposal, which offers a solution to a problem; and sales proposal, which is the subject of this chapter. In a sales proposal, we want to sell an idea, product, or service to customers using marketing and interpersonal skills. In this sales proposal, we are going to design a document to persuade readers to visit a state park named Paul Ridge State Park. To make this document stand out, we will use a colorful title page, a watermark that has an animal paw print, and some regular features such as a list and table to highlight important data. This proposal includes a title page and two body pages. As we move forward in this chapter, we will do these activities to design the sales proposal. First, we will create a title page for the proposal, and then we will see how to insert an existing Word document in the proposal. Next is to create a header and footer in the proposal, and then edit and format lists in the proposal, edit and format tables in the proposal, and finally create a watermark in the proposal.